Good morning students, my name is Ajay Pal Singh. Today I am going to discuss with you experiment number 1 of electrical machine 2 lab. The name of experiment is no load test on 3-phase induction motor. So in the experiment, assembly used is indicating instruments like voltmeter, current meter. One starter is used to start the motor. As motor is 3-phase induction motor, therefore star configuration or delta configuration is used. So here we use one multimeter to measure the value of current. So before I proceed with the connection setup, first you all aware about the figure that is used to perform this experiment. So I am sharing with you the diagram. So in the diagram, 3-phase supply is considered, that is R by B. Okay, so you use one starter. So connection diagram is looking like same like indicating instrument current meter, and voltmeter is used. Okay, so voltmeter and current meter, the function of current meter to measure the current. So instead of this current meter, we use multimeter in the experiment, the function of voltmeter to measure the voltage. And if you may use two wattmeters. So we know that power in 3-phase configuration is measured by 2 wattmeter technique. So this experiment is related with no load test only. So in the experiment, we consider the current meter and a voltmeter. So here the connection setup of delta winding. So in the experiment, further we construct a star arrangement. So what is in the star arrangement? The finished terminal are connected with the common point. With respect to the line terminals are connected with the supply. So before I proceed with the experiment, first you aware about the connection setup. Okay, so connection setup is one voltmeter is used. Okay, voltmeter is connected in parallel with the circuit. So voltmeter is connected across 2 potentials. So is connected in parallel with the circuit. So main connection is how star is formed. Okay, so first connect line terminals with supply. Okay, so this is first R supply is given. Okay, the terminal is connected with R. So first R supply, R phase is given, second Y phase is given, and third B phase is given to 3-phase induction motor. And remaining on the opposite free terminals, all the terminals are common. So as we know that in case of star connection, so finished terminals are common. So this starter, that is real starter, is used to start the motor. So this experiment is related with no load test on 3-phase induction motor. In the experiment, observe the reading of current. Okay, and make sure that the main point is make sure that on 3-phase induction motor. So this is the 3-phase induction motor. So on 3-phase induction motor, load is 0. So make sure that load is 0. So by changing the load in kg, okay, by changing the load in kg from, that is by changing the load in kg, you further observe the performance of 3-phase induction motor. That is our next experiment. But for this experiment, make sure that current on 3-phase induction, that is load on 3-phase induction motor is 0 load. Okay, so start with the performance of experiment. So first switch on the supply, that is triple pole single throw switch is used. So supply is switched on. Okay, so starter is used to start the motor. So start the 3-phase induction motor. Okay, so for 4-pole motor, the maximum possible speed is around 1500 RPM at no load. Observe that is voltage is 423 volt, that is 3-phase voltage. and the value of current in this case is 2.5 ampere. Okay, so there is a small variation is occurred like 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. so this is the value of current. You may consider any value. Okay, so let us consider the value is 2.3 ampere. Okay, so you may consider 2.4. This is your indicator, that is readings related with the experiment no load test on 3-phase induction motor. And what is your theory consist? Theory consists first of introduction to 3-phase induction motor. Okay, introduction to the synchronous speed and the rotor speed of 3-phase induction motor, then small introduction about the starter used and the indicating instrument used, then briefly discuss about the star connection arrangement and how it is formed, and then by adopting the procedure. Okay, procedure is connect the circuit as per diagram, switch on the supply. Okay, observe the operation of the motor and note down the readings. Okay, for no load test voltage is 425 and reading is approximately 2.4 ampere. This is the result for no load test. Thank you student. So next time we further discuss about the blocked rotor test on 3-phase induction motor.